when we create a space of empathy, when we demonstrate that empathy, that we are truly at least trying to put ourselves in someone else's shoes, to understand from their perspective, that is going to do a big thing in helping us do the next thing we need to do, which is really about creating safety. How do we create a culture of safety where people can truly share their opinions, unpack their ideas, share their suggestions, talk about some of the negative experiences they've had, address the emotions and the things that they bring with them and those zipper pocket emotions, right? We here at Crucial Learning did a study not too long ago, and we surveyed over 1,300 people, and we found that 9 out of 10 of our respondents felt emotionally or physically unsafe to speak their minds more than once in the last 18 months. 9 out of 10, friends. 90% of people saying they don't feel either emotionally or physically safe to truly share what's on their mind. And the other thing that we learned is of our survey respondents, 39% of them said that they reported feeling unsafe either every day or every week. And only 7% of the respondents reported they are just as confident as ever in social situations. In other words, friends, people aren't feeling safe. Are we doing everything we can to create a culture of psychological safety? And I think one of the leaders in understanding psychological safety is Amy Edmondson. And I love this quote from Amy. She says, psychological safety is a shared belief that one will not be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, concerns, or mistakes, right? And how do we foster that? How do we all want that. How often do we as leaders, even as parents, right? We say, we want you to share ideas. We want you to speak to us when you make mistakes. And then when they do, we blast them, right? I can't believe you. We have to truly create this culture, if you will. And how do you do that? Well, there's a couple things you can do. Obviously, know your people. The more you know them, the safer they feel to be able to share their ideas and their concerns. Inviting others, truly not and sincerely, actively asking them to share their ideas, their concerns, their frustrations. Transparency, as transparent as we can be. When we are transparent, we help other people see that builds trust, which creates safety.